Welcome to Programming and Problem Solving using Python. This is Rishikesh. From this session, we are going to see operators in Python. Today, we see what are operators. So, operators are special symbols that are used for computation. When we do any type of computation, that may be addition, subtraction, multiplication, or even calculating a power of anything, then we use certain symbols. So these symbols are known as operators, and the values that are used by these operators are called as operands. Suppose we are adding 10 and 20 by plus operator, then 10 and 20 are known as operands. In Python, there are too much types of operators. You can see a very long list here. Almost 9 type of operators we are going to see. In this session, we will start with arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are of 7 types. Here you can see plus, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, remainder, exponential, and then floor division. So these are some types of arithmetic operators. You are already familiar with addition and subtraction operator. The symbol for addition is this plus symbol, which is available on our keyboard, and the subtraction symbol is this dash or minus symbol. But for the multiplication purpose, we use this star like a symbol. On our keyboard, we don't have that cross symbol, so we use this star like symbol for multiplication purpose. For division purpose, we use this forward slash type symbol, and this is a very special and very useful operator, that is modulo operator. We will see what is modulo operator and how it is used in various examples in a separate detailed video. But for now, in arithmetic operators, we have this modulo operator. This modulo operator is used to find remainder. So you can see here, if we divide 13 by 2, then we get the remainder as 1. So using this modulo operator, we can find the remainder. Next operator is exponentiation operator. In this operation, we perform the power of something. So here in this example, you can see that power of 2 is written in this way, and then it will calculate third power of 2, that is 8. This operator is used for floor division. What is floor division? In floor division, the quotient is calculated, but after the quotient, the decimal points are removed. So if we have any decimal points after the quotient, then those decimal points are removed, and the floor division, that is the floor value, we consider. So this operation is used for floor division. Suppose we divide 10 by 3, then the floor division, that is the only quotient we get without their decimal points, is 3. Now let us see how we can perform some actions in Python shell. So firstly, let us add something. Let us add 10 to 20 and we got 30. Let us subtract something from 100. Subtract suppose 50. Do some multiplication. You can see I have used here this symbol. You can find it on shift 8. Multiply 10 with 10, 100. Let us divide 30 using this operator. You can see here forward slash, divide 30 with 5, 6.0. Now do some modulo operations using modulo operator to find remainder. Suppose 60 modulo 12. So we should get 0 because 12 5s are 60. So remainder is 0. Suppose we do 31 and then modulo 6. We should get 1. Exponential operation. Here we get 8. Suppose let us do for floor division. So 10 divided by 3 to the floor, we get 3. 21 divide by 7 to the power. Here the remainder is 0, so we should get 3 again. So these are some common arithmetic operations that we can perform using arithmetic operators. So this is for the today's session. I hope you understand the arithmetic operations that we perform using arithmetic operators. So this is for the today's session from my side. Stay connected till the end of the course. Thank you.